Hello everyone, my name is Hian. Recently, I came across an article from BBC News that said fraud information spreads 6 times faster than just on social media. That line really caught my attention. It made me realize how much power social media holds and how easily that power can be misused. So today I want to talk about good manner on social media, a topic that I believe is more important than ever. In today's world, social media have become part of our everyday life. We use it to study, to connect with friends, to express opinions, and even to build careers. But sometimes, behind the screen, people forget the basic rules, respect and kindness. Online space should be used to share knowledge and spread positive, not to attract or hurt others. I chose this topic because I have seen so many examples of bad behavior online, from fake news being shared without checking or to harsh arguments and hateful comments. Sometimes people post things they would never say face to face. Others share private information with friends without asking for permission. The action may seem small, but they can cause real harm. They affect people's mental health, destroy reputation, and create a toxic online environment. Let me give you a few common examples of bad manners on social media. First, sharing false information, maybe a rumor or fake post, just because it looks interesting. Second, post negative or insulting comments, especially when hiding behind anonymity. Behind anonymity. So, what can we do to make social media a safer and more positive place? It all starts with good manner online, which are not so different from good manner on real life. Here are 5 simple guidelines I try to follow. First, think before you post. Ask yourself, is it true, is it right, is it necessary? Second, check the source before sharing any news or post. Verify where it comes from. Third, respect privacy. Always ask permission before talking or uploading someone's image. Fourth, avoid online abusement and cyberbullying. If you disagree, express your view politely or just scroll away. And fifth, use social media with purpose. Follow accounts which inspire you. Learn something new and don't let scroll control your time. Remember that behind every screen is a real person with real feelings. Words may look harmless in a comment box, but they can leave deep emotional scars. As the saying goes, once you post something online, you can't take it back. So let's choose our words and action carefully. Being polite online doesn't mean staying silent. It means express yourself with empathy and respect. To sum up, good manner on social media means being thoughtful, respectful, and responsible for what we share. The internet can be a wonderful place if we use it wisely. So next time before you post or for a second and think about how your words might affect others. Together we can make online worlds kinder and more meaningful. Thank you for listening and remember, think before you post.